Carforina Mohambe. So facilwela leliso sofa. Solwela leliso lomkhulu solwela. South Africa for South Africans.
Ebantwini abakhahlanyezwe umkhankaso wokuphuculula idolobha kukhona nabathengisa izingubo eseyigqokiwe abathi abenza ubugebengu kaleli bhizinisi labo abathi lisemthethweni abalibiza phecelezi i-thrifting. Bathi imeya yedolobha uDada Murero uyabahlukumeza. Abeseka idolobha ukhona kubo namanye amaqembu ombusazwe bathi bazoma nalo ngoba lenza into enhle ukuvikela umthetho sisekelo wezwe.
It is clear if you go to our legislation, it said the informal sector belongs to South Africans. And you cannot trade at any given space in our township.
We are here to support, to keep our city clean, because some people, they are illegal, don't have even a document, want to occupy the space of the business. How can such people have no document and make our city mess up and dirty? So now we want to claim our city back.
We cannot have a situation where people are doing as they please. They sell, anywhere on the sidewalks, and it's very difficult that when somebody is marked, police even struggle to chase that particular person. And if you look at the informal sector in the city of Johannesburg, it has been taken over by foreign nationals.
Kepha abanye bathi bangabomsinsi wokuzimilela kuleli umkhandlu dolobha wenza iphutha ngokubasusa emgwaqeni ngoba uthi bahweba ngokungemthetho.
We are not foreigners. We are Zulu. We are Zulu girls. And ngikhulumela namanye amankosikazi abalana duze nami because I'm sure ukuthi we are not foreigners noma bangaletha home affairs bazosiverify. Why baskipha thina bathi lapha kusebenza manje why thina baskipha ngoba